Hey guys, so I just wanted to kind of go through the steps to make sure that I was explaining this clearly. Whenever you log into the STAR 360 test, you're going to type in your student ID number in the username spot. So for Gage, this is his ID number. For the password, it's going to be all capital letters, so capital GAGE, and then the last three digits of his student ID number, so 800. Make sure there's no spaces, and GAGE is all in capital letters. You click login, and it'll bring you to this page, and then you're able to click take a reading test and take a math test. Those are the only two that you need to complete. So when you click take a reading test, this screen will come up, and you're going to click this first one that says STAR 360 Teacher, and then click Next. And then you're ready to begin. You can click Start. It'll say Practice is about to start. And then it'll give you some practice questions before you begin. So whenever you click each answer, it'll give you the option to click Next. I'll just click through a couple of these quickly so you can see what it looks like whenever you get into the test. So that was the practice, and then it is going to direct you onto the test. And then these questions start the test. There are 34 questions. Up in the corner, it shows you one of 34. So you'll go through each of those questions to answer.